New research projects that low fertility rates will upset the global economic order over the next century. The study was conducted by the University of Washington. The projection is that the population of nearly every country on the planet is expected to be in decline by 2100. It's the cost of raising children, gender equality could all play massive roles. And sub-Saharan Africa is expected to account for 1 in every 2 children born on the entire planet by the next century. Christopher Murray is the director of the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation. He's with me now from Seattle. This is a fascinating look into the future. And to a large extent, nobody doubts that you're correct. We will not be replicating the population to keep up with. But what's the implication of that?
Well, it's not just that populations decline, it's that as fertility gets to be such a low level where women are having on average, let's say 1.4 children in their lifespan, it means that there's always more people in the age group ahead of you than behind you. So you get this complete inversion of population age structure. And that's a real challenge for paying taxes, running governments, Social Security, lots of challenges.
And even today, you know, we've got a case where China has a greater population decline issue, or at least not growth to keep up with, and a failure on an immigration issue, say, for example, than the United States, which is still drawing in populations for immigration.
No, China's already hit the peak and is going down, and we expect its working age population to drop almost 70% over this century. So the speed with which this suddenly starts to impact the workforce, impact economies, is really quite astonishing.
Dr. Murray, how do you get policymakers who will turn to you and say, yes, this is all very important, very important, very important, and I agree with you completely. Now, what would you like me to do about it?
Well, those countries like, Singapore, Korea, Japan, that are already living and breathing many decades of very low fertility are really struggling to think about what they can do. They know they have a problem. And then as other countries start to come to grips with this problem, it's really comes down to sort of 2 things you can try to do. You make it easier for women to pursue their careers and have children. Subsidized childcare, subsidized education, maternal, paternal leave, things like that have had a small effect in Europe. Or at least for a while, you bring in migrants to help bolster your workforce. And that's about it. That's about the only options on offer.
Yeah. The migrants is a zero-sum game, though, isn't it? Because bring in the migrants to the US, and all that happens is you deplete the population in the home country.
Well, that's a real issue. And so that's why I think the only part of the world, at least towards the latter, 2/3, 3/4 of the century, that will have quite substantial population growth is much of sub-Saharan Africa, particularly West Africa. And so those will probably be the source of a lot of the migrants in the future, given exactly what you just said.
Fascinating. Thank you, sir. I'm grateful for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you.